Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications from the middle, expand them, and locate the screen recording toggle, which for me is on the second page right here. It's called screen recording. Once you locate it, you can hold it. This will take you to the settings, where you can customize the actual quality of the screen recording. So it looks like by default it isn't set to anything like outstanding. So for instance, the definition, so resolution as an example, is set to medium at 720p. We're not living in 2016, so let's actually put it to 1080p, which will utilize the actual full resolution of this screen. Then change the frame rate from most likely 30 to, oh no, never mind, this phone does not support anything above 30, so I'll just cap it at 30 instead of the dynamic, which can change. So there we go. We have changed the two primary settings for the video recording that I would consider to be fairly important when it comes down to quality of the screen recording. So now we can just close this and find the toggle once again, and this time around simply tap on it, select I agree while using the app, allow guess everything, and this will give us the access to the little panel right here. Just gonna close this and click on the red circle to start recording. Now it looks like it is recording also audio, so it is picking my voice up right now. But in the settings you can change that. So anyway, whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. So if you open up any kind of app, that will be recorded. And once you're done, you can interact with the overlay. Click on the red square, and this will save your recording to your photo gallery. So you can see it right here. Additionally, you can go into albums, and it will appear in the video album. I'm gonna mute the device and play the video. So there we go. That's the screen recording, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.